You're about to learn 5 strange healing habits, the ones people only discover after life has damaged them, but you can know these right now. 1. Put your bare feet on the earth. When life gets too loud, grounding pulls you back into your body. 10 minutes on grass calms your nervous system like an old friend saying, "Breathe, you're safe." 2. Eat bitter foods before meals. Bitters don't taste good, and maybe that's why they work. They spark digestion, cleanse your stomach, and remind your body that healing begins before you even eat. 3. Tape your mouth before sleep. Most people don't realize your breath decides the quality of your rest. Nasal breathing gives you deeper sleep, and deeper sleep gives you a calmer life. 4. Let sunlight touch your belly. It sounds silly until you feel it. A few minutes of sun warms your core, relaxes your gut, and lifts your mood in a way you can't explain, but your body understands. 5. Sit in silence after eating. Everyone rushes right after eating, but 120 silent seconds triggers rest and digest. Your body absorbs better when your mind stops running. If you want a part 2 with even deeper, darker healing habits, comment "Heal Me," subscribe, and share this with your partner or brother.